Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Let's talk about something we often avoid, a topic that can feel awkward, even a little scary, for many of us. Money. For too long, finances have been a taboo subject, something whispered about behind closed doors. But understanding money and how it works is crucial for everyone, regardless of their background or current situation. It's a skill that empowers us all. Financial literacy isn't just for experts, those in suits on Wall Street or financial advisors. It's for students, just starting to navigate the world of loans and expenses, parents, juggling the costs of raising a family and planning for the future, retirees, and you. It's for anyone who wants to live a more secure and fulfilling life. Think of money as a tool, like a hammer or a wrench. If you know how to use it skillfully, understand its purpose and potential, you can build the life you want. You can create a solid foundation for your dreams. When you don't understand it, when you're left in the dark about how it all works, money can cause stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities. It can feel like a constant uphill battle. But with the basics, a solid understanding of the fundamentals, saving, putting a little aside for a rainy day, budgeting, knowing where your money is going each month, and making your money work for you, investing wisely and letting compound interest do its magic, you gain control and freedom. You unlock the potential to achieve your dreams. Most of us weren't taught this in school, which is a real shame, so it's no wonder many feel lost, overwhelmed, and unsure where to even begin. The good news? There's hope. It's never too late to learn. You can start building your financial knowledge today. Good money management is simple and accessible. It doesn't require a degree in finance, no matter your age or income. These principles apply to everyone, regardless of their current financial situation. The journey starts with one decision, a conscious choice, to pay attention to your money, to understand where it's going and how you can make it work harder for you. In this guide, we'll break things down, demystify the world of finance into practical, jargon-free steps you can use right away. Actions you can implement today. It's not about restriction, it's not about depriving yourself or living a life of austerity. It's about making your money serve you, empowering you to live the life you truly desire. So let's get started, right here, right now, and put you in charge of your financial future. Let's build a brighter tomorrow together. Let's talk about saving. It's a fundamental pillar of financial well-being and often the first step towards achieving true financial freedom. We're going to explore why saving is so important and how you can make it a consistent part of your life. Saving isn't about sacrifice. It's about creating opportunities and security for your future self. It's about empowering yourself to make choices, pursue passions, and navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Think of it as planting seeds today that will blossom into a beautiful garden of possibilities tomorrow. Every pound you save is a step toward freedom, a step away from financial stress, and a step closer to achieving your aspirations. It's a tangible representation of your commitment to a brighter future, handling emergencies, those unexpected curveballs that life throws our way, planning holidays, creating memories that will last a lifetime, or changing jobs without panic. It provides a cushion, allowing you to explore new opportunities without the fear of financial ruin. Imagine your car breaks down. With savings, it's an inconvenience, not a crisis. You can handle the repair without derailing your entire financial plan. That's the power of an emergency fund. It's your financial safety net, ready to catch you when you fall. Saving is also the foundation for your bigger dreams. Buying a home, a place to call your own, and build lasting memories. Supporting your family, providing them with the opportunities they deserve, or treating yourself. Rewarding yourself for your hard work and dedication. All goals, big or small, start with consistent saving. It's the consistent effort that truly compounds over time. Your first priority? Build an emergency fund. This is your financial bedrock. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, providing a comfortable buffer against unexpected job loss or medical bills. But don't get overwhelmed by the total. Break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Start small. Even 100 pounds or 200 pounds can make a difference. Every little bit counts and contributes to your overall goal. The key is building the habit. Automate your savings, set reminders, and track your progress. Once your emergency fund is set, you can save for other goals. A down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or even early retirement. Saving is your financial safety net and the engine for your dreams. It's the foundation upon which you can build a secure and fulfilling life. Make it your non-negotiable priority. Treat it like a bill you have to pay each month, ensuring that you consistently contribute to your savings goals. Start today. Your future self will thank you. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow and the more secure your future will be. But I have no money left at the end of the month. Sound familiar? Start small. Save £5 or £10. The amount matters less than building the habit. Try the skimming technique. Move spare change from your account into savings whenever you check your balance, or use banking apps that round up your purchases and save the difference automatically. Treat your savings like a bill. Set up a standing order to move money to savings on payday. This is the pay yourself first principle. Save before you spend. Try savings challenges like the 1p challenge or a no spend day to make saving fun. Find what works for you and just start. Saving, even in tiny amounts, builds momentum. The key is consistency, not perfection. If saving is your destination, a budget is your map. Forget the idea of a budget as a straitjacket. It's simply a plan for your money. Start by calculating your total monthly income, including salary and any side income. Next, list your expenses in 2 categories. Needs, essentials like rent, bills, food, debt, and wants, non-essentials like takeaways, subscriptions, hobbies. Be thorough. Review your bank statements to catch everything. Add up your needs and wants. Now, subtract your total expenses from your income. This simple calculation shows if you're living within your means or overspending. A budget gives you clarity and control. It's not about judgment, it's about understanding. With a clear budget, you can make informed choices. Your budget is your financial roadmap. Use it to guide your journey. A budget only works if you stick to it. Use separate bank accounts or pots for bills, food, spending, and savings. Move money into these pots on payday. When it's gone, it's gone. This creates boundaries and helps you avoid overspending. Be realistic. Leave room for enjoyment so you don't give up. Plan for wants, not just needs, so you can spend guilt-free. Review your budget monthly. Life changes and so should your plan. Ask, did you stick to it? Where did you overspend? What worked? Adjust as needed. This isn't about perfection, but progress. A budget is a living document. Regular check-ins keep it relevant and effective. Make budgeting a habit, not a one-time task. That's how you stay on track for the long term. Budgeting is your map, but tracking spending is your GPS. Write down every purchase for a week. No judgment, just record. Add up your spending by category. You'll be surprised where your money goes. Small, regular purchases add up fast. Prefer tech? Use budgeting apps that track and categorize spending automatically. Apps like Snoop or Emma make it easy to see where your money's going. Once you see the data, you can make smarter choices. Cancel unused subscriptions, bring lunch from home, and redirect savings. Tracking isn't about guilt, it's about empowerment. Take control by knowing exactly where your money goes. Cutting costs is great, but earning more can supercharge your progress. Start with your current job. Ask for a raise or look for overtime or extra projects. Don't be afraid to negotiate if you've taken on more responsibility. Explore side gigs, freelance writing, design, baking, or selling crafts online. Use your skills or hobbies to earn extra cash. Rent out a spare room or driveway or sell unused items online. The gig economy offers flexible ways to boost your income. Even small amounts add up and can go straight to your savings or debt. Be creative. Your resources are more valuable than you think. Earning more is often the fastest way to reach your goals. Let's see how this works in real life, with someone just like you. We often talk about abstract concepts, but what does it really mean for an average person trying to make ends meet? Meet Sarah, 30, renting a flat in the city and working in an administrative role. She's a hard worker, dedicated to her job, but like many young professionals, she's facing the everyday challenges of modern life. She felt broke, constantly stressed about money, and had virtually no savings to fall back on. The end of each month brought a wave of anxiety as she wondered how she'd manage to cover all her expenses. After a particularly big, unexpected bill arrived, Sarah realized she couldn't continue down this path. She decided to take control of her finances and turn things around. Sarah started by meticulously tracking every penny she spent for 2 weeks straight, utilizing a budgeting app on her smartphone. She wanted to get a clear picture of where her money was actually going. She was surprised to discover she was spending over £80 a month just on coffee from her favorite coffee shop. That daily latte was adding up more than she thought. And a staggering £150 on lunches and snacks purchased during her workdays, often opting for convenience over cost-effectiveness, plus £20 on unused subscriptions that she had completely forgotten about. These were services she wasn't even using anymore. Armed with this new awareness, she knew she had to make some changes, significant changes to her spending habits. She started making coffee at home before work, prepared packed lunches instead of buying them, and promptly canceled those unused subscriptions. Suddenly, just by making these small adjustments, she freed up 200 pounds a month. It was like finding free money. She immediately set up a standing order to automatically save 150 pounds monthly into a separate savings account, and consciously kept 50 pounds for guilt-free fun, ensuring she didn't feel deprived and could still enjoy life's little pleasures. In just 3 months, she had accumulated 450 pounds in her emergency fund, a safety net she never had before, and felt significantly less anxious about her financial situation. The peace of mind was invaluable. She even started a small side hustle selling handmade cards online, tapping into her creative talents, earning an extra £40.50 a month, further boosting her income and savings. Sarah's story is a powerful example that proves you don't need a huge salary or a windfall of cash to dramatically change your financial life for the better. It's about making smart choices and being mindful of your spending. With a well-thought-out plan and small, consistent steps, anyone can achieve financial stability and security. Anyone can take control of their finances and build a brighter future. It's within your reach. The hardest part is often simply deciding to start, taking that first step towards a more secure and fulfilling financial future. We've covered saving, budgeting, tracking, and earning more. Financial literacy isn't complicated. It's about making conscious choices and taking control. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one thing to start with today. Download a spending tracker, open a savings account, or sketch out a budget. Every small action builds momentum and confidence. Change happens through consistent, small steps, not overnight. You'll make mistakes, but that's normal. Don't let setbacks stop you. Learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. Be kind to yourself. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Every day is a new chance to make better choices. The power to change your financial life is in your hands. Make a plan, pay attention, and pay yourself first. Start small, be consistent, and be patient. You can build a more secure, joyful financial future. Your journey starts now. Take that first step.